Hyundai is the second largest car manufacturer in India with more than 7 million happy customers. Hyundai offers a wide range of vehicles from the compact hatchback to a premium SUV. Hyundai also has a dedicated fleet lineup, Hyundai Prime, to cater to the commercial segment with two of their most popular models, the Grand i10 Prime and the Accent Prime, available in three fuel options: petrol, diesel and newly added factory-fitted CNG, which will ensure safety and comfort for the passengers and economy for their owners. The factory-fitted CNG adheres to the regulation standards and promotes CNG as the choice of fuel for the commercial segment, with Delhi's NCR region already using it. As compared to petrol and diesel, CNG is much cheaper, and the economy factor ensures that it generates a strong demand from the fleet operators. The main advantage of using factory-fitted CNG kit is enhanced reliability, and the standard fitment process ensures that it is high on safety. The engine and the suspension are specially tuned for CNG compatibility, and Hyundai warranty covers both the car as well as the CNG kit. The car also comes with company-fitted speed limiting device, which is mandatory to taxis as per government regulation. All the kits are fitted at Hyundai's state-of-the-art fitment facility, whereas in case of an aftermarket fitment, the CNG kits are offered at cheaper price and have a lot of safety and quality issues and are prone to fire hazards as well. The factory-fitted CNG kit is installed on Hyundai cars at its world-class facility in Sri Perumbudur, Chennai, where two assembly lines are dedicated exclusively for the fitment of the CNG kits, and the process is strictly monitored by trained technicians and supervisors using state-of-the-art high-tech equipment to make sure that the fitment is safe and secure. This facility also has a dedicated CNG dispensing station with high-capacity CNG storage readily available for vehicle filling and testing. To ensure best performance and also to enhance safety, the cars come with some special features like the dual ECU dynamic sequential technology along with variable degree timing advancer, which maintains balance between performance and fuel efficiency and enhances drivability with reduced emissions. The matrix injectors with frictionless technology provides precise fuel injection, improves engine efficiency and longer part durability. The CNG filler valve comes with micro switch, which ensures safety by fuel cutoff in case of abrupt CNG filling pressure. In case of aftermarket fitment, generally micro switch is not available. The filler valve is located in engine room away from the front fascia, which improves frontal safety in case of an impact. The CNG cylinder is fitted on the strong 3 mm thick tested and AIS 028 compliant brackets with rubber inserts, which securely hold it and prevents rattling and squeaking sounds, resulting in better NVH. The underbody of the car has seamless layout of high-pressure CNG gas line, which is enclosed within a safety sleeve and is firmly fitted using standardized brackets for enhanced safety and durability. 24 waterproof coupler system ensures that there are no cuts or joints in the wiring harness. The engine of the vehicle is specifically tuned with wear-resistant pistons and valves, an enhanced sealing gasket for intake manifolds to make it compatible with the CNG and thus enhance durability. The suspension is also improved with stiffened coil springs to handle the extra weight as well as make the ride more pliant. For added peace of mind, the entire CNG kit is approved by ARAI, and Hyundai offers a 3-year 100,000 km warranty, which is best in the segment. Once the cars are fitted with the CNG kit, they roll on to the inspection bay, where the process is rigid and controlled as the car goes through 47 quality checkpoints that includes CNG leak test, vehicle programming and calibration to ensure that it is in accordance with Hyundai's stringent quality standards. After this, the car is taken to Hyundai's test track for a dynamic test to make sure that it is working fine on all the parameters. The Accent Prime is a car which is aesthetically designed with pleasant two-tone interiors, plenty of cabin space, spacious boot even with the CNG cylinder fitted inside, and convenience features like foldable armrest and adjustable headrest, and ample legroom for the comfort of passengers, and power windows for the front seats. Power outlet to help you charge your gadgets. Central locking and of course safety with driver side airbag. The Grand i10 Prime 2 now joins the CNG fleet with its comfortable interiors and features like front power windows, central locking, power steering and driver side airbag for added safety. In totality, the Hyundai factory-fitted CNG kit offers 5 key advantages to its customers. Quality, with its state-of-the-art fitment facility and extensive quality checks. Safety, with its standardized fitment process and coupler-based wiring which ensures that no wires are cut. Performance. Hyundai's factory-fitted CNG delivers high performance with good fuel efficiency and has specially tuned suspension for CNG. Durability is ensured by AIS 028 compliant high-grade CNG parts and specially tuned engine for enhanced life. Reliability. The kit is ARAI certified and comes with 3 years, 1 lakh kilometers warranty.
मैं राहुल यादव, मेरी कंपनी का नाम मीटियस टूरिस्ट प्राइवेट लिमिटेड है। मैं लगभग 10 साल से टैक्सी का काम कर रहा हूँ। अभी कुछ समय पहले हमने 5 एक्सेंट CNG प्राइम डाली है, जिसमें हमें पैसेंजर और ड्राइवर की तरफ से अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है। पहली चीज़, इसकी 1 लाख किलोमीटर और 3 साल की गारंटी। दूसरी, इसमें बूट स्पेस अच्छा है। तीसरा, इसके पार्ट्स की क्वालिटी काफ़ी अच्छी हो गई है।
हाय, मेरा नाम विलियम है और मैं पिछले 20 साल से गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ। मेरे पास 3 एक्सेंट CNG हैं और मैं इनसे बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुश हूँ। इस गाड़ी का पावर और पिकअप बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है। गाड़ी पेट्रोल से CNG पे कब कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी आपको पता नहीं लगेगा। कंपनी फिटेड CNG है तो इसका सस्पेंशन ऑलरेडी कंपनी की तरफ से ट्यून्ड है। इस गाड़ी का जो AC है वो काफ़ी पावरफुल है। सीट्स काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल है आपका और पैसेंजर दोनों का। पीछे आर्मरेस्ट जो है वो कस्टमर्स को काफ़ी पसंद आता है। गाड़ी की मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट लो है और गाड़ी के CNG पे एवरेज बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है। नो टेंशन कार है क्योंकि कंपनी इस पे 3 साल की वारंटी दे रही है।
Hyundai.